Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading your project and importing both video and audio so you can edit without interruptions. First, open Capcut and create a new project or load an existing one, then import your video clips in the order you want. Next, import the background track from music or files. Capcut accepts MP3 and M4A. Once done, drop your video onto the timeline. Make sure the timeline playhead sits where you want the music to begin so later trimming is precise and efficient. Now add the music by dragging the track onto the audio lane beneath your video. Use split to cut the audio at exact points and trim handles to remove unwanted intro or tail. This gives you clean, synced segments. Once the clips are trimmed, align the audio with scene changes or beats to reinforce pacing. Zoom the timeline for frame-level precision. Also use fade in /out for smooth transitions, so the music doesn't jump abruptly when the video cuts or ends. Finish by balancing audio levels so music supports, not overpowers, dialogue. Select the music clip and set overall volume. Add keyframes where you need the music to dip or rise. For voice-heavy scenes, use ducking or manually lower the music beneath speech. Preview the whole sequence to confirm sync across cuts and transitions. If everything looks good, export with your chosen resolution and bitrate. If audio is out of sync, reopen timeline. Nudge the clip and re-export as a quick troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.